Kuringana na Uthunthuria gicunci kia 73 kiri igana gia AKENYA ni makumirwo muno ni kubingia mabataro mao ma ontuku nontu bwa gwitia kwa goro ya uturo kumania nao gicunci kia 48 gia Kenya mena thina ya kimeciria onturo tumite mamu makagia mirimo na mangi makabaragania ndugu na antu mao mabakubi. Kuringana na Uthunthuria uyu uria ni wa kambuni ya Trak kuongerekwa kwa murigo wa ugoti kinyagia kuongereka kwa goro ya maguta ni mauma montu maria matumite AKENYA gukinya bantu bau. Thirikari riu ni kurombwa kureta ugaruruku. Anthony Kadenya atumenyithie inu.
Based on the 1,500 respondents,
Osonkoni bwa kambuni ya kuthithia Uthunthuria ya Trak Research Company liu ni boneti ya Kenya gicunci kia 73 kaba kwangaika bakigire kwirungamira kimutulile. Kuringana na Osonkoni bobo mamwe mamantu maria mathite na mbere kumia mitulile ya Kenya ni gwite kwa ngarama ya mutulile bobo kiuma na gwite kwa bei ya into, gwite kwa marima kithomo, gwite kwa goti amona wagibu wa wira.
By the time we're doing this survey, the cost of living, of course, mentioned by 48% who felt it will increase. I believe that's just 1 month now. We can report. And I believe you can report positively so that it has increased. School fee for those parents in this house, I believe if you compare what you're paying last year and comparing now, there might be a change, or any guardian in the house who is supporting a child or so.
Kuringana na Uthunthuria bubu gicunci kia 44 kithirite thinani ya kugia na stress, gicunci kia 32 gikirema kwiga njajiao, na kio gicunci kia 18 gikithagira thinani ya kugia na thina jia ugima bwa mathugania.
Of course, mental is a big thing in Kenya. We've seen a lot of incremental numbers of people going mental. And I believe that is just trying to find out where will my next meal or where will my rent come from, where will the school fee for the kids come from. So people are really mentally disturbed.
Mweno Uthunthuria bubu kambuni ya Trak ni borithite ati AKENYA gicunci kia 73 ni bagiriti na njira nene gucera njeja gwitethia gicunci kia 45 gicagia ngugi nkurani ja kuruta kenda bona mbesa gicunci kia 41 gikinyia giutumiri bwa mbesa amwe na AKENYA bangi kujukia mikobo kenda bamba gwitethia.
Nearly half, 45%, have sought additional employment or income sources. If you see within the online marketplace, there's been an increase of people posting for items they sell, either farm produce or non-farm produce. People are doing a lot of online businesses, and I believe that is one of side jobs that people do.
Now, kagita gaka Uthunthuria bubu kambuni ya Trak ni borithite ati Kenya baingi bathina wirigiro ba mauntu gucensia kwa makuwe mwenogu ni borithite thirikari kuthithia bureri nkiomba kenda kwimania ngarama ya muturire.
1,500 respondents, 26% mentioned that there's need of reducing the high cost of living. I believe so that the government is solely responsible in terms of ensuring that the cost of living can be reduced to a manageable level.
Mamuji muneno Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony Rangi wa Kadenya.